Blood travels a total of 96,000 kilometers inside your body. Just imagine, if we connected all these blood vessels end to end, they would be long enough to circle the Earth twice. And the heart pumps all this way by beating over 100,000 times every day. So even when you're sitting, sleeping, or doing nothing at all, there's a massive system working non-stop inside your body. Every second, blood flows through thousands of vessels, delivering oxygen to your cells and removing waste. In fact, without you even realizing it, this amazing machine inside you is working tirelessly to keep you alive. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for your